Welcome back. In Python, the concept of DuckTyping is central to polymorphism. It means that the type or class of an object is less important than the methods it defines. This flexible approach allows you to write generic code that can work with any object, provided that object has the required behavior. 1. The DuckTyping principle. The principle states, if it walks like a duck and it quacks like a duck, then it must be a duck. In programming terms, if an object has the method we are looking for, we treat it as if it belongs to the expected type. We don't need to check its inheritance hierarchy or its formal type. We just check for the method. 2. Defining unrelated classes. Let's define 3 completely unrelated classes: cat, dog, and politician. They do not share a common parent class. However, all 3 classes implement a method with the same name, speak. 3. Creating a generic function. Now we create a generic function, make_it_spe, that accepts any object we call entity. Inside, it simply calls entity.speak. This function does not care if entity is a cat, a dog, or a politician. It only cares that the object has a speak method. 4. Testing DuckTyping. We create objects of all 3 classes and pass them one by one to the same generic function. Each object executes its own specialized speak method. This demonstrates polymorphism via DuckTyping. The function treats all 3 objects the same way because they all quack with a speak method, regardless of their actual class type. To summarize, DuckTyping is Python's way of encouraging flexible code design. Our next lecture 19.03, DuckTyping for dependency injection. See you there.